Hi, I'm Peter Lazar, the founder and inventor of Scanlily, and I'm here with my friend Penny, who's about to move and needs to help track her belongings between different storage sheds.
This was perfect opportunity because we have a 2,200 square foot house that is all going into storage. Being able to do the QR code, put it on my box, put it on a single item, and then being able to categorize it on which storage unit it's going to be in. And so it's very easy, very quick.
So if you're moving and you'd like to use Scanlily, you should know about a few of its features, and especially its GPS feature. Every time that you scan something, it'll put your location, identify it onto the object. So when you move to the new location, scan it again, and then you'll see everything on a map. So I think that's a very handy feature. There's also a website, and so you can log in and you can see things in a spreadsheet, you can modify them, you can download them as a CSV file if you want to. So we thought we'd try it out and show you how it works. So first you take the QR and you can take a picture. It's usually helpful to do it on your finger. And then as a next step, you can put it on whatever item or container that you want to track. Click on Add Item, and then you can actually take a picture of it, crop it if you want to. At the next step, then just click on Review Draft. This is where I can pick and choose which of the AI suggestions I want to take and whether I want to change them. And then I would just click on Update, and then it goes into my inventory where I can edit it further at that point. And that's basically it.